Let's talk time, not productivity, not planners, not the Pomodoro technique. I mean time, as in the raw, limited, you only get so much kind of time. And if you're wasting it, you're not just falling behind, you're losing pieces of your actual life. People treat time like they've got an infinite supply. But here's the truth: every wasted hour is a quiet trade with death. You just won't realize what you gave up until you're out of hours. So today, no fluff, no use a calendar nonsense. We're dropping 10 brutal time management hacks that don't just save your time, they might just save your life. Let's get into it. Hack 1: the deathbed filter. Picture this: you're on your deathbed. There's no time left. You look back at your life and you realize you spent 4 entire months arguing with people in YouTube comments. Would you be proud of that? Exactly. So here's the rule. Before you say yes to anything, ask yourself, would this matter to me if I had 1 week to live? Not, does it feel urgent? Not, will it impress someone? Just, would it matter when I'm dying? If the answer is no, kill it. That's your filter, uncompromising and 100% accurate. Hack 2: track your regret hours. You track calories, you track steps, you track your followers. Why don't you track wasted time? Start a simple regret log. Every night write down, what did I do today that I regret? How many hours did it cost me? Why did I say yes to it? Then total those hours weekly. 5 hours wasted per day, that's 35 hours a week. Over a year, that's 1,820 hours. That's 75 full days of your life, just deleted. When you see the waste, you finally respect the time. Hack 3: calendar bullies. Some people don't want your time. They want your availability. They want to access you without earning it. Here's how to stop it. Color code your calendar. Red equals sacred time. No one touches it. Pre-block thinking time. If your brain isn't booked, someone else will book it for you. Use a personal assistant tool or autoresponder. I'm in a deep work block. Will reply Thursday. If people are offended by your boundaries, they were never respecting your time in the first place. You don't owe anyone unlimited access to your life. Hack 4: the Sunday funeral. Every Sunday night, don't just plan your week. Test your legacy. Look at your to-do list and ask, if someone read this out loud at my funeral, would I be proud? Would people hear your week and say, damn, they really lived with purpose? Or would they hear a blur of errands, status meetings, and shallow busyness? This is the eulogy test. It cuts through noise and forces clarity, because most of us are writing a life story without checking the ending. If your weekly plans don't echo your long-term legacy, they're distractions in disguise. Hack 5: set energy alarms, not time alarms. You wake up groggy, snoozing your alarm, guzzling caffeine like it's survival juice. That's not time discipline, that's body betrayal. Here's the brutal truth. Most people are managing clocks, not capacity. Switch it up. Track when you naturally feel creative, social, focused. Block your calendar around energy waves, not hours. Ditch the 9 to 5 mindset if you're self-led. You are not a factory. You're a force. Use your peaks for deep work. Use your lows for maintenance. Stop pretending you're a machine. Hack 6. Break up with fake urgency. Can you look at this real quick? This need to go out today. This is super urgent. 99% of the time, it's not. Here's a test. Ask, what happens if this waits 48 hours? If the answer is nothing implodes, delay it. If someone pressures you, say, happy to help. What can I drop to make room? You're not a firefighter. You're not built for constant crisis. Break up with urgency culture. It's a stress theater for people who lack real priorities. If everything is urgent, then nothing is important. Hack 7. Say no with a reason that hurts. No isn't rude, it's responsible. But people still guilt trip themselves into saying yes because I didn't want to hurt their feelings. Here's your fix. Say no and give a real reason. I don't do meetings on creative days. I'm protecting my focus right now. I promised myself I'd stop overcommitting. Is it awkward? Yep. Will it scare off the wrong people? Also, yep. Will it protect your future? Yes, every single time. Hack 8. Cut your half-friend list in half. You're not too busy. You're just too available to the wrong people. Here's the brutal test. After you hang out with them, do you feel drained, anxious, or judged? Do they celebrate your growth or subtly resent it? You don't need to ghost them, but you do need to reassign their seat in your life. Energy vampires? Limit access. Emotional dumpers? Boundaries. Old friends you've outgrown? Let the chapter close. Your time is the most precious gift you have. Don't give it to people who haven't earned the right to keep it. Hack 9. Outsource one identity. We wear too many hats. Chef, cleaner, editor, assistant, therapist, teacher, scheduler, decision maker. Here's the burnout cure. Outsource one entire identity. Pick the one you resent the most, the one that drains you. Then delegate it completely, even if it costs you something. Hate cooking? Get meal preps. Dread email? Hire a VA. Always cleaning? Find a cleaner twice a month. You'll buy back 5+ hours a week. But more than that, you buy back peace. Hack 10. Schedule guilt-free nothingness. Stillness isn't a luxury. It's a lifeline. Block out time in your week titled Do Nothing. Turn off your phone. Don't meditate. Don't journal. Just exist. The goal isn't to be productive. The goal is to feel human again. Your nervous system needs time to reset, not just recharge. Productivity without peace is still failure, just with prettier spreadsheets. Silence isn't the absence of productivity. It's the source of it. So, let's get something clear. You don't have a time problem. You have a clarity problem. These hacks aren't about optimization. They're about ownership. Every minute is a miracle, non-refundable, non-renewable, and it's running out. So ask yourself, are you managing time, or is time managing you? If this hit hard, share it and reclaim what's already yours, your life.